Hello everybody, welcome again. Today I'm going to show you how to use citation and reference using the Microsoft Word and the Mendeley Desktop. Actually, citation tells the readers where the information comes from in your document. In your writing, you can cite or refer to the source of information. For example, this is a sample document for you. Here, these are some citations. I took some information from this article or from this book. So you can put like this, okay? And based on this citation, you can make bibliography or reference. Most of the time, this bibliography, they are listed below of your document. These are the bibliography or references. This reference, it gives the readers details about the source so that they have a good understanding of what kind of source it is and could find the sources themselves by themselves. They can refer it by themselves, okay? So this is how we can make a citation and reference, but to do this, we need Mendeley Desktop. It makes everything easy for us. The first step to get a Mendeley Desktop is you have to go to google.com and type just Mendeley Desktop. It's a free software. You can get download Mendeley Desktop. Here you can download for Windows or for your Mac. Okay, then after that, install it. Okay, I have already installed it. Okay, here after installing, you can insert your like you can register by yourself. Okay, it's better for the user using the interference. Okay, the importance of Mendeley are here. By using the Mendeley, you can search for reference in your Mendeley library. These are the libraries. Okay, also you can insert them into the document that you are working on. Also you can select and insert individual or multiple references at once. Also you can create a bibliography using the Mendeley, okay, and you can change to any of your preferred citation style in just a few clicks. Okay, so by doing that you can finish your document easily. For example, here in the Mendeley we have the menus. Okay, here in the top there are file. In the file there are important things like add file, add folder, watch folder. For example, for the watch folder, these are my watch folders, okay, as example. Okay, so if I want something from like BCC, MSc, PhD, seismic tutorial or something, I easily go there and I took the articles or documents from this. Okay, these are my watch documents, or you can refer from all documents or whatever. Okay, also here like important thing, you can import. Okay, import, okay, from Google Scholar or whatever from the sites. Okay, again you can edit, you can open the new group, or you can rename. Here you can see the library. Okay, for example, if this is the library for me, you can watch this library as citation or as a table. If you can see like this based on your interest. Okay, for me that as a table is nice. Okay, and here you can change the citation style. Okay, for example, here a lot of citation styles. For more styles, you have to click the citation style. Okay, here you can get everything like this. For me, I choose Harvard. Okay, and you can type. Okay, for more styles. Okay, you can here check the abbreviations about everything. It's tells about you. Okay, don't forget to install the updated Mendeley. Okay, so for example, here I opened a new document for you. Okay, this is there is no uh, citation over here, so I have to cite something because I took some information from the books. Okay, it's example. Okay, for example, if I want to cite this thing either like in the middle or at the beginning, whatever place, you can cite the information that you took from other place. To do this, you have to go to reference. Okay, here immediately after installing, you have to make add in, okay, this Mendeley to your Word document. Then after that, go to insert citation. Okay, don't forget, before that you can add like just by doing this, but it's important like to make a library for your own self. Okay, for example, let's create the like library like tutorial one, tut one. Okay, for this case. Okay, So this is our library. This one is library. It's empty as you see here. So you can add files. Okay. So let's say my watch folder or is like this. Okay. You can go uh, here desktop. For example, the desktop. Let's go to tutorial. Okay. This tutorial is my watch. Okay. So immediately it adds everything here. Okay. You can synchronize it, or you can add the files manually. Okay, by clicking here, add the files. Sorry, it's the watch file. Okay, then after that you can add like this. Okay, desktop tutorial. Tutorial Mendeley, open it, and then select all the files. Okay, you can add like this. Okay, you can add like this because that was takes the time. You can add like this. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, so the most important thing in the Mendeley is you can edit all the details. For example, for this file, you can edit the details, the journal, whether whatever it's a book or section. You can do like this. Okay, in the details, you can check the details. You can type some notes on this. Okay, so after having this tutorial or this library, you can go to your own document. Okay, for example, I want to cite this place as an example. Okay, just go to insert citation, then go to Mendeley. Here I'm going to look from my library. Okay, go to Mendeley, then I'm going to cite this as my citation. Okay, so go and or send citation to plugin. Okay, so immediately it works like this. For example, if you want to cite like in the middle or at the beginning of a document, for example here, just space, give a space and insert citation. Okay, go to Mendeley, and for example this one again cite. Okay, it cites like this. So for example, if I want to edit this one, okay, I can say like this according to, okay, according to, you can edit manually. So it says keep manual editing. You can do like this. Okay, so immediately it adds citation to your document. Wait, so finally after adding on each places that you took information from articles or a book, you have to cite them. Then after that you have to put them like at final stage as a reference. Type here reference. Okay, so to add the reference using the Mendeley, just go to insert bibliography. Okay, here it adds immediately. If you want to change the citation style, okay, you can here go and you can change it from this. Okay, this area. For example, if you change to this, it changes immediately. Okay, so this is the most important thing of Mendeley. So by doing this, you can cite and you can make references. Thank you very much. See you next time.